Fall 2025 is finally cutting through the noise. This season isn't about chasing flashy statements or micro-trends that last 6 weeks. It's about clothes you can actually wear, live in, and carry with authority. People are tired of fashion that feels disposable or worse, embarrassing 6 months later. What matters now is wearability without sacrificing elegance. This fall, fashion is shifting towards balance. Wearable doesn't mean boring. It means refined, intentional and powerful without trying too hard. The silhouettes are clean, the texture's rich, and the overall effect is one of presence. You're not drowning in clothes, you're not screaming for attention, you're simply composed in a way that makes people look twice. That's the essence of wearability in 2025. Pieces that make you look more like yourself, elevated. The truth is, people no longer admire outfits that scream desperation for validation. Fall 2025 rewards subtlety, restraint, and clarity. It's about being admired, not for exposing everything, but for how much control you project in what you choose to show or not show. That quiet authority is what makes wearable fashion magnetic. And make no mistake, this isn't minimalism for minimalism's sake. It's about richness without clutter. Every fabric, every line, every layer is working in service of elegance. That's why these trends feel timeless even as they feel new. They're designed to last, to move with you, to be worn again and again without ever looking dated. Fall 2025 is separating those who dress with intention from those who dress for the algorithm. If your style looks like it came straight off a Pinterest mood board with no individuality, it's already outdated. Wearable this season means adaptable, personal, and deeply tied to who you are. This is why elegance is dominating. It's the one thing that never goes out of style. And this fall, elegance isn't about revealing, it's about withholding. It's about walking into a room with the kind of presence that doesn't just get noticed, it gets respected. Follow GTWJ Mag for more, because wearable trends are only wearable when they make you unforgettable. Fall 2025 is teaching us that wearable doesn't mean safe or watered down. It means powerful in its simplicity, magnetic in its restraint. The fashion that matters this season isn't about what looks good in one photo, it's about what you can step into daily and still feel like your most elevated self. The deeper layer here is that people are realizing fashion is less about trends and more about standards. Wearable trends this fall are really about setting your own standard, not being trendy for 6 weeks, but creating a look that communicates refinement every time you wear it. That's why the obsession with cheap novelty is collapsing. Nobody admires someone who looks like a mannequin dressed by Instagram. Admiration comes from looking composed, individual, and timeless. Fall 2025's wearable fashion has a psychological edge. It's clothes as a signal that you value yourself enough to choose quality over gimmicks, elegance over vulgarity, subtlety over chaos. It's an energy shift. The person who walks in polished, mysterious and controlled is the one everyone looks up to. The one chasing fads, exposing everything, or clinging to loud statements is instantly forgettable. What dominates now is the kind of fashion that works with you, not against you. It enhances rather than overshadows. It protects rather than exposes. It leaves room for mystery rather than giving everything away at once. That's what wearable means in 2025. Clothes that you can actually live in, yet they elevate you into someone untouchable. And that's the truth of this season. You don't need to chase everything you see online. You need to understand the psychology behind what lasts. Fashion right now is less about what's hot and more about what's respected. Follow GTWJ Mag for more, because wearable doesn't mean ordinary. It means unforgettable when you understand the code behind it. Fall 2025 is also proving that fashion dominance doesn't come from how much you can grab attention in a single moment. It comes from how much you can hold attention over time. This is why the wearable trends this year aren't designed to shock, but to sustain. Clothes are being treated less like disposable entertainment and more like long-term investments in how you're perceived. The biggest truth is this: people are exhausted from overexposure. When everything is about barring more skin, wearing louder logos, or chasing one-week TikTok aesthetics, it all starts to look the same. This fall, what's really magnetic is the opposite: restraint. People are drawn to what looks intentional, what feels rare, what whispers elegance instead of screaming insecurity. The rise of wearability is not about playing it safe, it's about knowing the power of suggestion. Mystery will always be more admired than overexposure. A composed, sophisticated look tells the world you don't need to be validated, you are the validation. And that's why elegance, subtlety, and confidence are dominating every trend conversation this fall. What's wearable now is what makes you feel elevated every single day, not just on camera, not just at an event, but in real life. That's the reset we're living through. Fashion is shifting back to serve the person, not the algorithm. And when you align with that energy, you automatically stand out, because true elegance never looks like it's trying, it just is. This is why the fall trends in 2025 are impossible to ignore. They're not just trends, they're cultural markers of a society that's rejecting cheapness, rejecting chaos, and demanding more intention. And if you want to keep breaking down what's really happening beneath the surface, follow GTWJ Mag on Instagram, because this isn't about wearing what's in. It's about understanding why style is shifting and how to stay ahead of it. Fall 2025 closes with one undeniable truth. Fashion has finally grown up again. The dominance this season isn't about chasing attention, it's about commanding respect. The woman who defines this fall is not the one screaming with logos or overexposing herself. She's the one who understands that true allure lies in mystery, restraint, and refinement. This is the year people finally realize that cheapness, whether in fabric, in construction, or in message, always shows. And once you look cheap, you lose authority. Wearability this fall is about clothes that hold you, that elevate you, that frame you as someone impossible to ignore without ever looking like you tried too hard. That is the essence of elegance, and that's why it's taking over. Fashion in 2025 is dividing into two groups: those still chasing validation and those who no longer need it. The trends dominating now are not for the insecure, they're for the ones ready to be timeless. Because at the end of the day, admiration isn't about revealing, it's about how much you withhold. Power isn't in showing everything, power is in knowing you don't need to. And that's why this fall matters. It's not just about what's in, it's about rewriting the rules of how style commands respect. If you want to continue seeing fashion broken down with honesty, depth, and zero filter, follow GTWJ Mag. Because here, we don't just tell you what's trending, we tell you what it means. Fall 2025 is drawing a hard line in fashion. This is the season where style separates the timeless from the temporary. And the people who understand this shift are going to be remembered, while everyone else will blend into the background. Because the truth is, trends that scream for attention don't age well, they collapse under their own desperation. What lasts is what refines you, what elevates you, what allows you to walk into any room with composure. This is why elegance has become the new standard. Not fake elegance built on gimmicks like pairing a bra under a blazer, but the kind of elegance that comes from discipline, self-respect, and a refusal to look cheap. The dominance of fall fashion in 2025 isn't about quantity, it's about quality of presence. One look worn with intention says more than an entire wardrobe chasing every fad. The women who embody this now, the ones dressed with subtlety, mystery, and authority, are the ones shaping culture. They're admired not because they reveal everything, but because they reveal nothing unnecessary. And this is why GTWJ exists, to cut through the noise and tell the truth about fashion, about identity, and about what actually matters. Fall 2025 is a reset, and the question is, are you still chasing, or are you ready to lead? Follow GTWJ Mag on Instagram if you want more of this perspective. Because here, we don't just report what's trending, we tell you what it means and why it matters.